How to get free pro trial on CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily get free pro trial on CapCut. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up CapCut application on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Now, once you are logged into your account, in order to get a free pro trial, as you can see on the top of your screen, you can find a Black Friday on desktop. You can get a 7-day free pro. You can just tap on this and then it will take you to the option to get a free pro trial on your laptop. You can find the download link and copy it. Then you can open this link on your computer, so you can send it to WhatsApp or wherever you want. So I'll just go over to WhatsApp and then I'll just go ahead and send this to this group right here, or I'll just send it to myself for now. Paste the link, tap on send, and you can just open this link from your laptop and you can get a free pro trial for 7 days. This is the first thing you can do, and if it's your first time applying for a pro CapCut, you can go to me section down below and then you can go to pro section and then tap on upgrade. Once you tap on it, you can find all of these available plans. You can select any one of your plans and then tap on purchase. And then from here, you will get an option to get a free pro trial for next 7 days as well. So that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next